Jason from Iconic Metal Gear showing you a closed flat headache rack. This one's got cabinets on either side and they're really deep. Tank in the middle. We can make these headache racks with a 30, 50, 70 gallon tank. You've seen lots of other ones we've done with different configurations. We've got powder coated racks with light bars in the top, gel bar window, no gel bar window, all sorts of things that you can put on your truck that you might need that's a little different than the next guy. We also have an array of different light bars that you can put on the top to mount your strobe lights. This one's got some extra tabs we put on here for the customer. He's gonna put lights on there. And then it's got these side boxes. Again, something we've done on a lot of headache racks. So the truck can access the toolboxes from the ground and not have to worry about jumping up. This one's got the 50 gallon hydraulic tank, as I said. It's got the site temp gauge on the side. Comes with all the mounting hardware you need to install it. We actually built this little tray it goes in. It's nice and heavy duty, thick, 1/4 inch aluminum. And it's got holes in the bottom for the 4 mounting ports that we have there, 2 inch. So you can hook up your hydraulic lines to either the front or the back, depending on what your cross members are in the way. It comes standard like that. We have an instruction kit that comes with it and all the parts you need to install it. I'll show you inside the toolbox doors on this one. Customer wanted shelves. So adjustable shelves up and down every 2 inches, 1 inch lip, and then we got nice edge trim on there to protect your hands. Gives a nice finish. All of our headache racks are 1/8 or thicker aluminum. That's how we build everything. All stainless steel hinges. It's 1/4 inch pin, nice and heavy duty. And then it's got an 8 inch well in the bottom here. So this section here is 8 inches. That's to keep your chains from going up against your door. And then we can do different finishes. We got checker plate. You got polished stainless mirror finish. You got the smooth like this. You can polish it yourself or just leave it mill finish, whatever you want. More products like this, different headache racks we built. You can check us out at iconicmetalgear.com.